Undoubtedly, consumers are becoming much more environmentally aware. If publishers don't respond to some of the environmental themes that we're seeing today, then it will be a short period of time before we'll begin to start seeing consumers asking the question about whether publishers really understand the entirety of the environmental footprint they create in terms of delivering products and services. And it's for that reason I think the timing of Piazza and its commercial availability is so well timed. The creation and the curation of entertaining, interesting and accurate content is as important now as it's ever been. What's changed is the way in which consumers choose to access it and consume it. I believe that HP Piazza is going to be a really important tool in enabling publishers to continue to achieve that objective.